Hello, today I'm going to show you how to update your Apple Watch. So in front of me is Apple Watch SE. It doesn't matter which Apple Watch you're going to have, which Apple Watch you want to update. On the all Apple Watches, the actions are pretty the same. And to update your Apple Watch, you can do it through your Apple Watch or through the Watch app. I'm going to show you the both possibilities. So you are going to go to the application screen by clicking the digital crown on the Apple Watch, and then you are going to go to the settings right here, and now let's go to the general. And as you can see, we have right here on the top of this part of the settings the software update, so we're gonna click it, and as you can see, you can turn on or turn off the automatic updates. And to make sure that your watch is up to date all the time, you're gonna turn it on. You want to turn it on, so just click on it, and as you can see, we even have the update available right now, the watchOS 10.2, sorry. And as you can see, we can click install on the watch, and it's not working. And I'm gonna show you why this is not working on the phone. So let's switch to the iPhone right now, and as you can see, we have the watch app right here, and you want to go to the app and also click the general. As you can see, we have also the option that is called software update, so we're gonna go in, and as you can see, we have the automatic updates on. And if we're gonna go in again, here is the notification like installation paused, because if you want to update your Apple Watch must be at least 50% and must be placed on charger, because this can drain some battery, and automatic updates are usually done overnight, because most time you are going to charge your Apple Watch through the night, so all the updates are going to be installed through the night. So now if you have the automatic updates on, your watch is going to up to date all the time. And also, if you want to do it in the day, you just click install, and as I said earlier, you need to have your Apple Watch connected to a power source, so it needs to be placed on a charger. So thanks for watching, I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.